Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from How to Fix Online. In this tutorial, I'm gonna be showing you how to fix PayPal dispute. A PayPal dispute occurs when a buyer disagrees with the transaction, typically due to issues like receiving an item that is significantly different from its description, not receiving an item at all, or experiencing an unauthorized transactions. In order to resolve a PayPal dispute, the first thing to do is to open up your PayPal app and log into your account using your credentials. Now from the main homepage, tap on your human icon at the top left and then select Help option from the display. Under Topics inside Help Center, tap on Disputes and Limitations. Click on Disputes and Claims and then select one of the options that best matches your situation. You will be able to get all of the answers related to dispute on the page. You can also get to the Help Center option and then click on Resolution Center. Once you navigate to the Resolution Center page, it'll show you any disputes you are currently going through on a list. Select the dispute you want to resolve and follow through the instructions. You can also respond to the dispute or send a message to communicate with the buyer. Also make sure to provide detailed response addressing the buyer's concern, which could include explaining your side of the story, providing evidence such as shipment tracking information, photos of the items, or proof of communications. If requested, you'll also need to upload any additional documents that supports your case, and this might include tracking information, photos showing the condition of the item before shipping, etc. So that was how you will be able to fix a dispute issue on PayPal. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.